Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Welcome back to another lesson. We are on ayah 231 of Surat al Baqarah. It has been a while. Apologize to all you all, but may Allah bless you and reward you for your patience. We are here. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وإذا طلقتم طا lam with a shadda, طلق with the qaf, slight qalqala, طلقتم tumu, alif lam drops, goes straight to the noon, which is with gunna. So this is going to go straight from the meme to the noon without saying L sound to it. طلقتم النساء. Right? So you go طلقتم. So from here, طلقتم النساء. فبلغنا أجلهن فأمسكوهن بمعروف أو سرحوهن. This is a hu, this is a hu. سرحوهن بمعروف. Okay. ولا تمسكوهن. So ولا تمسكوهن. ولا تمسكوهن ضرارا لتعتدوا. This would have been ضرارا, but the lam there shadda. ضرارا لتعتدوا. ومن, but you got a ya. ومن يفعل ذلك فقد, slight qalqal on the dal, فقد ظلم نفسه. We don't read this because we're stopping here. نفسه. Good place to stop. If I were to continue, فقد ظلم نفسه ولا, like that, نفسه ولا, but we stopped. نفسه. Then when you continue from here. ولا, and then we're coming here. ولا تتخذوا sorry, so you got ta, shut down the second ta. تتخذوا آيات الله هزوا. ولا تتخذوا آيات الله هزوا. Continuing on. What do I do here? As a test. You should know this. What do I do? This drops. واذكروا نعمة الله عليكم وما shadda right there. I mean mad right there to extend the ma. وما أنزل عليكم. You got a meme here, these join. عليكم من minal. We haven't done this for a while. Those that have always watched, you know that this comes up. The first this alif drops, goes straight into the lam. Actually, the hamzatul wasl drops. Minal kitabi, minal kitabi, wal hikmati, wal hikmati, wal hikmati يعظكم به والحكمة يعظكم. What should we do with kum? Do we extend it or not? Yeah, we do, because it's followed by the ba. يعظكم به. We can stop there. Continuing on. واتقوا الله. We went from wa straight to the ta that has a shadda. This drops. واتقوا, واتقوا. This is not read. واتقوا الله. This drops. Goes straight from qu to the lam there. واتقوا الله واعلموا, واعلموا. This hamza followed by an ayn that has a sukoon. وَعَلَمُوا. Okay, it's read like that. وَعَلَمُوا, وَعَلَمُوا أَنَّ اللَّهَ بِكُلِّ, أَنَّ اللَّهَ بِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ, بِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ عَلِيمٌ, عَلِيمٌ. Okay? Jazakumullah khair. We'll stop there, inshallah, and continue from the next ayah in a lesson coming up very soon, inshallah. So we left off on ayah 231. Jazakumullah khair. We'll see you next time. Assalamu alaikum.